Good day, everyone. My name is Shihan Shane Panangtalang. So, I will present my mini system integration from data to functionality. So, the object of this laboratory is to demonstrate how different software systems can communicate using integration models. So, in real organization, different department you often use different systems, but these systems must work together to achieve organizational goals. There are two common integration models. First, data integration. Second, functional integration. Third, presentation integration. So, in this laboratory, I choose presentation integration. So what is presentation integration? So presentation integration software is a tool that helps you bring together different elements in your presentations. It's creating slides easier and more efficient. These tools can add new features to your slides, make them more engaging for an audience. So we have two subsystems. Subsystem A is the data provider. It stores students' information and provides it through methods. Subsystem B is a consumer or display system. It presents the data to the user through the simple interface. So, subsystem A consists of student data. It does not display anything. It's only responsibility to provide information. I'm gonna show you the code now. As you can see that I tell you, the subsystem A consists only not displaying anything. It's only responsibility to provide information. So this is the information sa subsystem A. And now let's proceed to subsystem B. Subsystem B is retrieves the data from subsystem A and display it to console. The presentation layer changed, but the subsystem A is remained untouched. It's the key idea, presentation integration. So I'm gonna show you the output of the code. So here the code, and we're gonna answer. So as you can see, as I said, it remains untouched, this key idea, presentation integration. I told you na the subsystem B kay nagakuha og data gikan sa subsystem A. So mao niya ang output. Nangayo siya og data sa gikan sa subsystem A gamit ang method o function. Ang sa system A kay nagpadayon og manage yung data nga way labot sa display. So mao ni ang prinsipyo sa presentation integration. Pwede nimo usbon ang pagpakita sa data, console, GUI, nga walay kausaban ang subsystem A. Nagpasabot kini nga dependent ang data source o presentation masayon og i-maintain ang og scalable. So the overall one challenge in presentation integration is dependency on the data structure. If the subsystem is a change, the format of the data, the display system may need to be updated. Another issue is capability. As a system growth, presentation layers may require more advanced framework. The real system this challenge are solved using APIs, MCV frameworks, and ported technology. So, if mag si subsystem A, ano, change of format of data. So, kailangan nato i-update diri. So, update magbutang taog. So, nag-update ta diri, nagbutang ta diri. So, here atong gibutang Jandu. So, ano gani course ng MA? Iyang course kay MA Marine Engineering. So, second year. So, i-run na to diri. So, dara. Na-update na siya sa ato ang system. This type of integration is commonly used in student portals, banking dashboard, HR management system. In enterprise environments, presentation integration allows multiple interfaces to use the same backend system. Thank you for listening and goodbye.